And today let's do another favorite meditation that's called rainbow practice. This is a technique to balance all the chakras. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your breath. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be soft and easy, completely natural. There is no need to focus on your breath too intently. Simply feel yourself breathe in and out. No struggle. Allowing all the experiences of the present moment to pass through you as energy. Softening from the inside down. Now root down into the earth and place your hands on your heart. Repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So right now, I am okay. All is well in my world. Now imagine a bright and beautiful rainbow right in front of you across the sky. It's so close that you can see each color perfectly. We're going to climb into this rainbow one step at a time. So as you take a breath in, step into the first color of the rainbow, the color red, the color of your root chakra. Let the energy of the red color fill your entire body and also allow it to emanate from within you into the world, further and further, as far as you can feel. Without fear, settling into your physical identity, remind yourself, I have the right to be here. I am always safe, protected, and guided. Now take a nice breath in and out, and on your next inhale, move up into the rainbow, stepping into the color orange, the color of your sacral chakra. Let the energy of the orange color fill your entire body and also to emanate from within you into the world, as far as you can feel. Without any guilt, take us up as much space as you want and need with this energy of your emotional identity. Remind yourself, I have the right to feel. I honor my needs. Once again, take a nice breath in and out, and on your next inhale, move up into the rainbow, stepping into the color yellow, the color of your solar plexus chakra. Let it fill your entire body with energy, and also let this energy go out into the world from within you. as far as you can feel. Letting go of any shame, connect with your ego identity and remind yourself, I have the right to act. I have the right to be free in my choices. I am enough. Once again, take a breath in and out, and on your next inhale, move up into the rainbow, stepping into the color green, the color of your heart chakra. Feel the energy inside your body and let it emanate into the world. Connect with your social identity, reminding yourself, I have the right to love and be loved. I accept myself. Once again, a breath in and out, and the next inhale will take you into the color blue, the color of your throat chakra. Let it fill your entire body with energy and also allow it to emanate from within you into the world. Letting go of any lies you may be telling yourself or others. Take as much space as you want with this energy of your creative identity. And remind yourself, I have the right to speak and hear the truth. I have the right to express myself freely. And let this go with a nice inhale and exhale. And as you inhale next time, move up into the rainbow, stepping into the color indigo, the color of your third eye chakra. Let it fill your entire body and also go out into the world from within you. Without any illusions, take as much space as you need with this energy of your archetypal identity. And remind yourself, I have the right to trust my perceptions. I trust the flow of life. Again, a breath in and out. And on the next inhale, move up into the rainbow, stepping into the top color, the color purple, your crown chakra. Let the energy of the purple color fill your entire body and also allow it to emanate from within you into the world, further and further out, as far as you can feel. Releasing any unhealthy attachments you may have. Take as much space as you need with this energy of your universal identity. And remind yourself, I am all that is. I am one with the universe. I am whole, perfect, and complete. And now notice that it is you who is creating this beautiful rainbow. You are at the center of all these amazing colors. You are the one who is emanating all those energies into the world. The ray of red color starts at your root chakra at the base of your spine and creates the first red level of the rainbow. The ray of orange color starts at your sacral chakra below your navel and creates the second layer of the rainbow. The yellow starts at your solar plexus, radiating in all directions. The green starts at your heart. The blue at your throat. And finally, the purple energy of your crown chakra is at the top step of the rainbow. For a few moments, just stay with this visual. You at the center of the rainbow, creating it, expanding it, being it. And now in this space and state of awareness that you created in this practice, ask yourself, what do I need the most right now? And just listen to whatever message comes to you in the form of words, images, sensations. What do I need the most right now? And now once again, visualize the rainbow in front of you, wide across the sky. Take another good look at it, and before you open your eyes, remember that this same rainbow is inside you, with all its potent energies, supporting you in your basic rights to be here, to take up space with your presence, to feel and want, to act and be free, to love and be loved, to speak and hear the truth, to see and trust your intuition, and to know that you are an integral part of all that is, part of this universe, not separate from it. So as you go through your day today, remind yourself of the magic you hold inside and allow this knowledge to brighten your day and for all those you meet today.